This is Likely Tech, and these are the Lenovo Lp1S TWS earbuds. After I bought them, I discovered that one of them has a problem with the magnet that keeps it in place for charging, whereby after I place them back in the case, one of them just drops out, while the other one stays in place, kept in place by the magnet. So what we are going to do is disassemble it and see if we can identify the problem and if we can be able to fix it in future. The first step is to open the case and remove the earbuds. Then identify where we have the seam, and using a pry tool, pry open the seam and pull out the system. And there it is. Once you pull it out, remove the battery and the metal they have added for weight, and here is the magnet that's supposed to hold it in place. Somehow it became detached, because you see the left one is still in place but the right one is out of place. So what I need to do is place it back and then put back the right earbud, and see, it holds. So all I need now to do is to get some silicone and apply it and make sure it sticks. So this is the future, and we're going to fix this little bad boy where it belongs so that it can hold the earpiece in place. So first I'm gonna have to align it to make sure I fix it in the right, facing the right direction, so that we don't want it repelling instead of attracting. I'm gonna fix it and hold it in place. I'm gonna pick the right earbud and that's the right way. So now I got the silicone. I'm gonna pour some in this tray, then I'm gonna apply it on the magnet and fix it. There are these two screws that attach the motherboard to the case. I'm going to unscrew them so that I can have easy access to where I have to fix the magnet. So the motherboard is off and we are going to set it aside. The reason I couldn't show you the unscrewing is because I don't have a screwdriver that tiny, and I used a knife and it was a bit embarrassing, so I couldn't show that on video. So now that we've separated them, we have easy access to where we want to place the magnet. As you can see, I had already made a mess, and that's why I decided to remove the motherboard so that I can have easy access. So turns out I thought I was recording, but I wasn't, and I've already done the assembly, so I'm not gonna reassemble and pretend to be doing it for the first time. So this is it. I'm gonna give it a while to dry, then reassemble the whole thing and see how we did. So it's dry now, and as you can see, no more falling off. I'm gonna reassemble it, and that's it for today's video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, share it, and for more content like this, subscribe to the channel.